Well, leaders in Brooks County recently approved support for two key pieces of legislation that could help their rural ambulance program expand. The county currently has two ambulances contracted out to help them, but they say that's not enough.
Our Josh Maxwell spoke with the county judge and some of the area's most vulnerable residents to find out just how essential those services really are. He's here now. And Josh, what is it about these two bills in particular that has the county hoping for approval?
Mike, House Bill 3000 and Senate Bill 1377 both have similar language that aims to help rural communities like Brooks County. It's to help get their ambulance services more off the ground. Now, the county judge says if they don't pass, it could impact the lives of thousands of residents.
We have a lot of elderly in our community.
For those who live in brush country that is Brooks County, the views are familiar and home for the people who've grown up here. But in dire situations, a trip can get costly.
Hospitals are 45 miles away, either or, Alice or Kingsville.
Angie Regalado works at the Ed Rochelle Memorial Library in Falfurrias. She says for those who are more vulnerable, the lack of abundant ambulance services.
We have a lot of patients on dialysis, which are very needy, heart disease, diabetes.
We're limited in resources.
Which is why Brooks County Judge Eric Ramos is hoping that two bills currently in the 89th legislature pass, saying it would be a game changer.
Would provide $500,000 for counties that I think are under 10,000 people, which is us.
A revenue source that Ramos says can help alleviate some of that financial burden.
We spend about $255,000 a year on our current contract. So this would allow us to either increase that contract in terms of number of ambulances or provide some other form of emergency service.
Ramos says response times can vary. If the ambulances are available in town, response times can average 7 to 15 minutes. However, when in the more rural neighborhoods, that number goes up, ranging from 24 to 40 minutes. Something Angie says is too far for comfort.
It's hectic to drive to Corpus, especially Kingsville in the evening, but that's what we deal with.
Now, Ramos says that in the event of a large-scale accident, the county does have mutual aid agreements where they can get more vehicles and backup if needed. Back to you.